Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. So, did you all practice?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Did you practice yesterday's notes? I told you to practice on Kolar. Did you do? Did you do? Just hold on. Charging ఇది కదా సందీప్ చెప్పు ఇది ఛార్జింగ్ అవ్వట్లేదు రావట్లేదు హలో give it here unless I sign he won't sign డిక్లరేషన్ లో మీరు సైన్ చేయాలి ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ సైన్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ సిఎన్ సైన్ మీరు తీసుకెళ్ళిపోండి
ఇది 3 అయితే ఇక్కడ
ఎస్ ఎస్ So, did you all try yesterday's lesson? Did you try yesterday's lesson? Anyone? No, right? Huh? If you didn't prepare, then it will not work in this manner. After class, start. ఎదుర్కొండ ఇట్లా ఎదుర్కొండ శగున్ అడుగు చూసి వస్తుంది check his record is not there. Did you all try yesterday's lesson? I'm asking. If you are answering, why?
Yesterday was not in class.
If you have not practiced these, then it will not be possible for you to learn the next concepts. Very important today. Okay, today I'm teaching you dictionaries. In Python program, we have dictionaries. Dictionaries has the introduction, basics of dictionaries, built-in methods to process the dictionary, sorting, passing dictionaries to functions, and summary. So here we are learning about the dictionaries in Python. Here dictionary is completely everything of what are the keys, what are the mutable ones, what are the strings or numbers or whatever you want. Everything. Dictionary means at one place you get everything that is required by the program. So here it will have all the keys, indexed keys we call indexed keys, but these keys are not mutable. They are immutable. Strings and numbers can always be the keys. Tuples can be used as keys if they contain only strings, numbers, or tuples. If the tuples contains any mutable object, either directly or indirectly, it cannot be used as a key. Sometimes the tuples mutable means which can keep changing. That way we will not call as a key. Dictionaries will have the keys. So in these keys, if we are changing, if the keys are keep changing, then we don't, like tuples or the other things where you keep changing the values, then we don't call it as the key. Is that clear? Then there are lists as keys. Sometimes we make the permanent list. The permanent list what we create can be the key for a dictionary. Suppose, for example, if I write A for apple, B for ball, these are the permanent things what I keep always. So those are called as keys.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Your voice was not clear, ma'am. Please make sure that everyone is in mute mode.
Yeah, please. Who is Redmi? So, yeah, please don't talk go. You can't use lists as keys since lists can be modified. In the lists I told you we have to keep modifying. Lists are mutable. It means you can keep changing the list. Yesterday in the class I was explaining you. So when you can modify that, then it cannot be called as a key. Key means one permanent location or one permanent value, but that cannot be. List cannot be. Tuples can be, but in case if the tuples are having the elements which can be used as which cannot be changed. Tuples can be used as keys in which where the elements which cannot be changed. Right? So if creates an dictionary like this, dictionaries look like this: flower brackets. Placing the comma separated by the list, you have to say, suppose name, value is like Uma. So when I say key, name, and the value is some name what you are placing, then it is called one dictionary. So within the braces, add the initial key and then value pairs in the dictionary. If you store using a key that is already in use, then the old value associated with that key is forgotten. Suppose in a particular location or in a particular key, I have changed to some other place, some other value. If I change the new value, whatever is there, that only it will take, and it will forget the old one. That means it will erase the memory of the past, like how we do. Last year classes, what we learned, what did we do? We don't remember. We wrote the exam, it is done. And new set of things that are coming instructions, we keep registering, we keep working on that. Again, new registrations come, again, we will be working on it. So that's how we will be learning the dictionaries will be done. A dictionary is an ordered set. Ordered set means it will have one key and then its value, key associated value. It should be like that. I'll show you one example. For example, username Sriram, online true, followers 1044. So what are the keys? Username, online, followers. These are the keys. And what are the values associated with that? Sriram, true, and 1044. These are the values associated with the key. But how do I join them? Username with the name, actual name. In between, I put the colon. You are able to see the colon. This is called the colon. So it will be worked in that manner. Then it understands. Once you write like this, it understands that, okay, you are creating a dictionary. Why? You kept the flower brackets, first thing. Second thing is you wrote a key. Third thing is you wrote a value. And key and value are joined by a colon. So that's why it understands it as a dictionary. Right? So creating dictionary, this is how we create the dictionaries. My marks, language 185, language 290, physics 75, computer applications 88, chemistry 76, something marks like that. So if you write my marks, it will show all the with the keys and the values. Right? We can create n number of dictionaries like this. For example, Team India, cricket, or creating dictionary incrementally. Incrementally means each one value we keep adding and then making the dictionary. That way also can be done. Class, dictionary, person, file name, Ramu, person in one name is means his surname you can call, age, course, subjects, all these things I can put. Finally, it will give you the answer like this. Right? File name Ramu, in name, I name is Pesarakaya, and age 27, course BSc Computer, subject, math. See subjects how it is written. In the other previous ones, it is only one string or one number or one thing. Whereas when you are talking about the subjects, what subjects is learning? Maths, electronics, and computers. All the three are kept as a tuple. Whereas parents, Mahalakshmi and Narasimha Rao is again a mutable string, a dictionary inside that. So in the dictionary, you can have a string, you can have a character, you can have a number, you can have a tuple, you can have a list, or you can have a dictionary in itself also. Then assessing dictionaries. Assessing dictionary values are different from the list tuple. Dictionaries can't be assessed using indexing. You cannot write first number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indexing is not possible in the dictionaries. A value is retrieved from the dictionary by specifying its corresponding key in square brackets. If you want anything, we can put it like this. Suppose Team India Dhoni. So what is his position? What is the value, key value, what we have assigned? If I want to know Team India Dhoni, so it will tell that in wherever captain key as I have given key as captain, that place is given the value as Dhoni. Because Dhoni need not be always permanently changed. No, captain is permanently will be there. So captain is a key. And Dhoni value, suppose I have changed it to Virat Kohli, then new value, whatever you are giving to that value, to captain, it will remember as Virat Kohli. Now, whoever is the present captain, that present captain name will be there. Next, using methods to assess the elements. So here we have dictionary DICT keys, values, items. You have the keys. You can have all the list of keys. You can have all the list of values. You can have all the list of items that you can add into the dictionaries. Suppose, for example, if you see Team India, dictionary, first dictionary, Dhoni, captain, Kohli, vice captain, Rohit, batman, Bhuvi, bowler. So Team India keys, even all these are considered as keys. Which are keys? Captain, vice captain, batsman, and Bhuvi. These are considered as keys. For these keys and ID will be created. Dictionary ID, object ID will be created. This is the object ID. And all the keys. What are the keys? If you call it as Dhoni, Kohli, and vice captain, that is also keys. Or you can call the values, because first I wrote Dhoni and then captain. So whatever is the first one, it will take it as the keys. Second one, it will take it as the values. Then operations on dictionaries. We can update the dictionary. Update means, see, last time it was Dhoni, today it is Virat Kohli, tomorrow it is somebody else. So I can update the dictionary. Along with that, you can delete the values. You can give the membership values. Membership values means you can know whether that item is present in the dictionary or not. Finding length. Finding length means how many elements are present. Converting to string. You can convert into string and then work out. So all these are the different operations on dictionaries. So then membership operations. Membership operations, like whether it is belonging or not belonging. It is there or not there. So all these things are called membership operations. Then finding the length, I just told you. Length, L-E-N, dictionary, if you write, you will get the length of the dictionary. Then comes converting strings to dictionary. Python strings are converted to dictionaries using different approaches based on the strings. Now, the strings are single characters, strings are single numbers, or strings are some set of, like my name is Uma. Uma is the a set of characters. So all those things we can call it. What happened? Chustan Aina. అక్కర్లేదు మ్యామ్ దగ్గర ఉంది మ్యామ్ కరెక్షన్ చేస్తారని చెప్పు నా మీద నేను చేస్తాను. Did you submit? అమ్మా ఎక్కడన్నా రికార్డులు కనపడతాయేమో చూడమా ఒకసారి. Did Prashant submit the record? అక్కడ ల్యాబ్ లో చూడండి ఒకసారి ఏమైనా దొరుకుతాయేమో. Next, using string dot strip and string dot split. String dot strip means it will concatenate and make into one. String dot strip. And string dot split means it will split the values. Right? So let us see how it is done. Initializing the string. This is the string str1. I'm writing it as A13, B14, C15. This is the first string. Next, converting this string into dictionary. I'm converting into dictionary. So dictionary, some name I have to give. Dictionary, DICT, this is the keyword, double bracket, X dot strip, then Y dot strip. We have X, Y, and Z. 3 values I'm putting it. Then X, for X and Y in element dot split, for element in the strip, you have to learn the syntax like this, and then you will get the either we split that or we add it. So converting the list as dictionary, list 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, new dictionary, current, flower brackets, first name, list 1, current name, again, whatever you want. If you don't write anything here, it will ask you what is the current name. Then print new dictionary. It will print the new dictionary. All these things, is it done, all of you? Deleting dictionary and elements. If you want to clear any dictionary, if we have understood how to join, we have understood how to split. Now, if you want to clear the dictionary, all the elements you want to remove it, then we can either use del key or we can use clear key. So dictionary clear will clear all the elements, whatever you have included in the dictionary. So simple, I have written one dictionary here. This dictionary, I have taken the printout. Next we write del dictionary. It will delete everything from the dictionary. Now make a copy of the dictionary. Just wait 1 second. Leave it. I'll sign it. Monday you can sign. That's good. I'll correct on it. Make a copy of one dictionary into another dictionary. From one to another. Dictionaries can be written. Cambridge University dictionaries, this dictionary, Oxford dictionary. So many will be there. So one into the other. The elements of this can be transferred to the other dictionary, bigger dictionaries. So using dictionary.copy, we can convert one dictionary into the other. Simply copy. Suppose I want one file is there. I wrote the file name as unit 9. I want to save it as unit 10. So I will write save as unit 10. Same manner in the dictionary is also, I can create copies that I can call it as a new name. So dictionary 1, dictionary 2, and then we can copy into the new file. रख लेते ले लेना आप साइन करा के ले लो हो गया बिल्ट इन मेथड सबका हो गया तो बोलो मेरे सबका हो गया तो बोलो आई हैव टू टॉक टू यू so sorry we have the viva questions happening in the exam is happening so built-in methods to process the dictionaries so there are built-in methods str dictionary is one built-in dictionary where string to dictionary it is converting. String representation of the dictionary. str is called string. str is the string. So string process to dictionaries. So apple 180, orange 69, banana 60. Apple is the string and I'm giving it as some keys as 180, 69, 60, some numbers I'm associating. So the dictionaries, whatever I'm writing, I'm converting strings to dictionaries. Next time, wherever 180 is there, it will consider it as apple. 69, then it will consider it as orange, like that. Then dictionary dot from keys. From the keys also we can make the dictionary. How? Sequence 1, name, age, gender. Now, I want to write what is the name, what is the age, what is gender. The values I'm asking from the input, asking as the user to give the inputs, and then I can put there. So all those values can be written as dictionary dot from keys. From keys means from the keyboard you are taking the inputs. Then dictionary get. Dictionary dot get means you want to get some information from some other source, means from another dictionary or some other tuple or list. From there, if you want to get the information, simply write dictionary dot get, and from where you have to get the value. That if you write, it will give you from where you can get it. Then dictionary dot set default. Set default is the key where if the key is not already in the dictionary, it will make it as a key dictionary. I mean, important aspect, it will consider it as important and keep it set default. Suppose, for example, in the MS Word, when you open it, there is a default font all the time. Default font size. Default means which is already built in and it will be there. If it is not, then we have to define it to make it default. Okay. Then dictionary dot update. You can update the dictionaries with more number of keys and the values. You can include them and make it more. Then dictionary dot pop. Pop means what? It will, whatever you are asking, that element it will take out and tell where it is. Suppose, for example, dictionary dot pop apple. But for apple, what did I give the value as 180? So it will give you the output as 180. Orange 69, banana 60, something like that, right? Then we have dictionary dot pop item. Pop item means if I don't mention anything, dictionary dot one pop item. Then it will say banana 60, apple 180. Like that, it gives the values. One, I asked first element. First element will come out, second element will come out. Then sorting dictionaries and passing dictionaries to functions. So sorting dictionaries is like using lambda function. Using lambda function and using sorted method, we can sort the dictionary functions. You can, sorting means what? Either putting them in the descending order or filtering it. I want, suppose BBA, BCom, BSc, some streams are there. I want to have all the students of BBA or all the students of BCom computer applications. So if I want to get all these things, then I can sort and then work out. So that's how the dictionary of sorting will work. Then all these things are the same. We will do, if you have completed the previous one, then I can show you in the Python program how the output and how to write the dictionary. There is a special way of writing. That's why I asked you all to complete yesterday's notes and come. None of you have completed it. Passing dictionaries to functions. Functions, I explained you that you are defining a particular way of solving the things. Arguments we call. So, ma'am, public page. Oh, you printed, ma'am. 25th will come again. That time, yeah. So, passing dictionaries to functions. Done?
Done.
How many more are there?
4.
After once they finish, you call me, I'll have to go there.
Okay.
Don't go home without that.
Yeah.
So passing dictionaries to functions. So here we will give the functions. I'm defining the function. Defining means I can say, suppose I have A, I have A is one number, B is another number. I want to write A into A, or I want to write A plus 2B. Some function I want to define. So I can define it accordingly. Next we have these things we have to do in system, in the program for Python program, then you can understand it better. Passing dictionaries to functions directly. These functions concepts, when in the last this thing in one of the classes I taught about the functions, square root, squares, or any function, user defined functions. Suppose I want to find out A plus 2B plus 4C, some values I want to add or multiply. Whatever you want to do, user defined functions we call. So dictionaries also can take up these user defined functions and they give you the updated values. Okay. Then this is about the 9th chapter, and I wish you all go through the 9th chapter today. Don't do the problems, but at least I want you all to go through the summary and the introduction. Tomorrow in the class, I will show you how to do the programming. Is it clear? Is it clear? I have to teach the 10th unit, but today I can't do. We are having the exam in the college that is going on, and external is sitting here. For that reason, I cannot continue the remaining part. Okay. So today, 9th unit completed. Tomorrow, 10, 11, 12, we will be completing. 5 means sharp 5 to 6, we will complete all the 3 units. And in the meantime, I want you all to go through and then go in the collab. Without that, please try to complete. Okay. Good evening all. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.